Yagoo Dentures reviews app. The pros, the cons. If you're searching for custom dentures or denture care products, Yagoo Dentures app claims to simplify the process. Most people get this wrong by thinking all denture apps are the same, but the surprising truth is Yagoo combines ordering, care tips, and direct customer support in one platform. The pros: users praise the convenient ordering system, clear product descriptions, and support for custom fittings. The app provides reminders for denture care and maintenance tips, which can improve longevity. Shipping is reported as fast and reliable, and customer service is responsive for adjustments or questions. The cons: some users note that prices can be higher than local dental labs, and customization may require multiple steps or in-person visits. A few mention that the app interface can be confusing at first. In short, the pros are convenience, care guidance, and responsive support, while the cons are higher cost and slightly complicated customization. The takeaway: Yagoo Dentures is useful for anyone wanting a guided denture ordering experience, but expect a bit of setup for custom fittings. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more dental app insights.